Claudia cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, dices. Claudia cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and the final episode of my clean Caribbean food. We have done comfort, we have done brightness, and we have done plant-based. Let's reset the Caribbean way. This is going to be fresh, vibrant, and full of flavor, but still satisfying. And as you can see, these wonderful fresh ingredients. What are we waiting for? Let's get cooking! Woo-hoo! Guys, this is such a simple and tasty and light and fresh salad. And I've prepped everything already. Let's get it all in the bowl. All right, so as you can see, some carrots here. And I've just used the potato peeler to get them into those little strips, just to make my life a bit easier. We've got some shredded fennel here, but of course, if you don't like fennel, you can leave it out. Radishes, shredded cabbage, in with some ribboned cucumber, and I use the potato peeler to do that. Some tomato. Look at the beautiful color of that. Absolutely vibrant and good for us, because the more of the colors that we use in our food, it's going to be so beneficial for our health. And in with some coriander. You can grate the beetroot, but you can slice it thinly as I did. Just wanted a bit of different texture, so that's why I sliced mine instead of grating it. In with some shredded onion. You can use red. Just let's give this a little mix just to combine all of the ingredients before we make our dressing. Right, we're going in with half small orange and half of lime. You could use just lime, but I just want to different contrast with the citrus to give a different flavor. So we're looking for citrusy and freshness to this salad. In with a teaspoon fresh grated ginger, 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Make it a good one. Going in with just a pinch of maple syrup. You could use honey or stevia. I'm just going to go in just with a small, literally that. Now for some salt and black pepper to taste. Lid on. We're going to give this a shaky. Let's give this a taste. It's at this point you can adjust this dressing to suit your taste, and I'm going in with a bit more black pepper, a bit more salt, and I'm going in with a drop more maple syrup. You just adjust it to your taste and preference, because we all have different tastes, so just work with this and adapt it to your own way. Okay. Let's get this clean spoon. Yes. Let's bring our salad back in, and I'd slice this and put it to the side and didn't get to show it in the video, so we can add some avocado here. All the nice good fat for our bodies. Going in with our dressing. This ginger tastes like fire in a nice way, not too overpowering. It's absolutely wonderful for this time of year. And whilst I'm mixing, this salad, let me know in the comments if you want to see more of this type of food cooking that I'm doing, as well as my normal Caribbean and other type of cuisine on this channel, just let me know. Get engaging. Let me know what you want from Claudie Cook's Kitchen. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, let's give this a taste. We will need to add, some more seasoning because we've added a lot of vegetables here. So the flavor would have kind of lessened a bit. So I'm just going to taste this. I think I need more salt, more black pepper, and some more acidity. Let's mix this all up again. Let's give it another taste. I think this tastes just perfect for me and what I am looking for and what I'm trying to achieve. But as I stated before, it's a template. You do you and season it to the way you want it. But that is just perfect. It tastes fresh, crispy, limey, and the flavor of the coriander is coming through amazingly. You can put this now in the fridge and let it sit there for about 15 minutes to an hour if you've got the time, and let the flavor mix and mingle together until you're ready to serve it. As a side dish, you can use some grilled prawns, chicken, tofu, whatever your protein is. This is a great salad to serve it with. So I'm going to plate it up now because I have to rush out here in a moment. So I will plate up for you now. This is a wonderful bowl of anti-inflammatory salad. Look at that. You can just tell that it's good for you. Let's plate up. Guys, this is how I reset, without punishing myself, because it's delicious and good for you. Splash of olive oil. If you want a little bit of heat, just a sprinkling of chili flakes and an extra squeeze of lime juice. And there you have it, guys. Clean Caribbean food isn't about restriction. It's about intention. If this bowl helped you rethink fresh food, I will see you in the next video. But don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Enjoy.
Claudie Cooks bring sunshine into your life with some love.